Okay, we're gonna take a quick look upstairs. Carpet probably needs a good shampoo. Not that much. Little mezzanine floor up here. 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath. Good size room. Bit of master. Double sink basins. Shower can probably do with a little bit of work, there's a bit of grout. It needs attention. Missing light switch. There's the mezzanine. Second bedroom. Nice wooden floors. There's your main bath up here. Pretty basic. Probably what I never sold. Still. Bedroom number 3. All very good, spacious bedrooms. And there's your 4th bedroom here. Alright. View out onto the cul-de-sac. Alright, that's about it. This is not a bad investment. Well, actually, it's probably better that for somebody for home occupancy. I don't think there's a return if you were to rent this property out. I don't think the returns would warrant a price of $500,000. But it will make a very good first home. So, the banks are asking, I think it is 540? 539.9. And I'm still pretty sure that the banks will still be negotiable at that price. This is a very good purchase. It's in a location where properties are selling upwards between $750 and $800. So, you know, depending on the right price, you'll probably get yourself a good bargain here. All right, that's it for Lion Rock Investments. Until next time.